Let's introduce you to cheap 65-inch smart TVs. Stop being a struggle with finding things to place in front of your sofa. This is the one you should be looking for. The cheap 65-inch smart TV is the best complement to your beautiful living room. With this, your Netflix and chill weekend will be much more fun. You can bring your family together and enjoy the lovely image from the 65 inches widescreen. The cheap 65-inch smart TV is rocking the market right now. The popularity grows fast like a rocket. Hundreds of brands are listing their smart TV into the market, which is really hard for customers like you to identify the best one. But don't worry, this video is here to help you solve this problem. 5 of the best-selling and most popular cheap 65-inch smart TVs these days are here for the review. All product links in the description. Number 1. TCL 65 inch Class 4K 2160p Roku Smart LED TV. An updated version of Roku is finally in the market. Roku is just one of the best at such a reasonable price. Now it has updated some of its a little bit, no smooth functions, and the better version will serve you best. As always, with this cheap 65-inch smart TV, you can stream 4K Ultra HD resolution perfectly. More than this version comes in high dynamic range technology because we all love HDR. With the built-in Wi-Fi and such a high-performance screen, your Netflix and chill are going to be much better. There are also Ethernet inputs if you want to stream anything from your electronic gadgets. Number 2. Sony 65 inch Class Bravia 4K HDR Ultra HD Smart TV. We all know how good Sony products are and how great their new products can be. It is now time to get your hand on their newly released 65-inch smart TV. It is spot on with a reasonable price and full warranty. The screen performance is so dynamic. The dimming of the light, which allows you to boost the contrast so you can enjoy the best view just like the way you want to. You can easily do that with the included remote control. By sitting on the couch, controlling this smart TV remotely, you can always receive one of the best theater experiences at your own place. Number 3. Samsung 65-inch RU8000 LED Smart 4K UHD TV. Ready for the theater experience at your own house. This 65-inch smart TV can surely provide it to you. This is not just any cheap 65-inch smart TV, but this is Samsung Smart TV. We can all agree with the fact that Samsung TV maximizes the quality of what you will see on the screen. With the premium design of this smart TV, it is also embedded with such a powerful processor. This means that the performance will be an absolute 4K that will wow your whole family. Are you ready to receive such a gift from Samsung? The quality of screen color will prove that this is one of the best gifts you will ever receive. Number 4. Scepter 65 inch Class 4K 2160p LED TV. With Scepter cheap 65-inch smart TV, streaming your favorite video in high resolution can never be easier. Everyone in front of this smart TV can fully enjoy the 4K Ultra HD resolution video that it projects. The Scepter 65 inches is just so powerful that you have to get your hands on one. 8 million pixels are embedded in this 65-inch smart TV screen. This lifts its ability to project clear and colorful images. Not just colorful, but those colors are perfectly balanced. Number 5. LG 65 inch C9 4K HDR Smart OLED TV. As being said that LG has turned a lot of flat screen to look just as flat with its mesmerizing smart TV. LG is burning the market right now with the new 65-inch flat screen, but turns everything into reality smart TV. For this new model, you can watch your favorite movie or play your favorite game. It is perfectly designed with the perfect surround sound that brings you into whatever you are doing. It comes with a magic remote that you can use to control this 90.8 pounds genius. You can also use voice command while you are feeling comfortable on your sofa. The embedded Google Assistant will do all the tricks for you. All product links in the description. Thanks for watching.